Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apollo Multivitamin tablets. These tablets are designed to supplement your daily nutritional intake, ensuring your body receives essential vitamins and minerals. Taking them correctly maximizes their benefits for your overall health and well-being. We'll cover dosage, timing, and important considerations to help you integrate them effectively into your routine. For optimal results, it's generally recommended to take one Apollo multivitamin tablet per day. Always take it with a meal, as this significantly aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and can prevent any mild stomach discomfort. Establishing a consistent routine, perhaps with breakfast or lunch, will help you remember to take your supplement regularly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly transform your financial perspective, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that can change how you think about money. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Always store your Apollo multivitamin tablets properly to maintain their potency. Keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. It's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before beginning any new supplement regimen, particularly if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Remember, never exceed the suggested daily dosage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.